A 30-foot-tall lighthouse is completely covered by a huge wave, has 85 miles per hour winds. Blitz. Malta in the island's worst storm since 1982. Winds of up to 85 miles per hour hit Malta in the worst weather since deadly 1982 storm. Ricasoli Breakwater Lighthouse in Valletta saw huge waves hit its 30-feet tower. It becomes hidden for a split second as the wave rolls over it on the way to shore. Incredible footage shows winds of up to 285 miles per hour send a huge wave crashing into a remote lighthouse. The dramatic video shows the powerful sea turbulence brought about by Malta's worst storm since October 1982. The immense wave rolls over the Ricasoli Breakwater Lighthouse in Valletta.
Avalanche engulfs car on Colorado Freeway. Here it comes on the right.